Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 9.5, question number 6. Using identities, evaluate 71 square. First part is 71 square. Now, if we want to use the identity, then we have identities like a plus b. This is first identity. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This is second identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and third one is a square minus b square, which will be equal to a plus b, a minus b. So out of 4 identities, here we will utilize these 3 identities according to situation. So in this 71 square can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. It can be in the round figure, means we will make it to the round figure, turn it to the round figure. So it will be 70 plus 1. Now in this case, this will be a and this will be b. So a plus b whole square. So it will be a square 70 square plus 2ab, 270 into 1 plus b square. So it can be written as 7 square, it's 49, 0 square is 00, plus 2 7 the 14 and 10 140 plus 1. So addition of this will give us 0 0 and 1. It will be 1, 0 and 4, that is 4, 1 and 9, that is 10, and 5041. So it is quite easy to calculate the square of 71. Rather to by doing calculation 71 multiply 71, if we convert the 71 to the round figure, because we can easily calculate 70 square and we can easily calculate the 1 square. So what will we will have to do, we will convert any 2-digit number to the round figure, close to the round figure, means it is close to the 70. So we can say 71 plus 1, and the square of 70, square of 1 and twice of 70 and 1. It is very easy and fast to calculate the square. That's why we use identities to solve out, to find out the square of any 2 or 3 digit numbers. Now come to the second part. In second part, it is 99 square. So it can be written as, now if we make it closer to the round figure, then obviously it will close to the 100. It is 99 is much closer to the 100 round figure. 100 minus 1 can be written as 99. So it is 100 minus 1 whole square. Now here we will apply the second identity. This one is the second identity, out of which, using white color, I will show. This is a, this is b, a minus b whole square. So it will be 100 square minus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 1 plus b square. B square is 1 square. So it can be written as 100 square. 2 zeros square, it will be 4 zeros. Minus 2 into 100, it is 200, plus 1. According to board mass, we will first add and then subtract. So addition will be 10001 minus 200. So it can be written as here. So it can be written as 801. 1, 0 and 2 minus this is 8, 9. This is 9801. It will be 9801. This is the required answer. Now come to the next. Next is third part. Third part can be easily solved as, it is 102 whole square. Now we can use the next slide also to solve it. Now third part, it will be visible you clearly. 102 its whole square. Now first of all, it is very close to 100, so it will be written as 100 plus 2 whole square. Now we will use the identity first, that is a plus b whole square. It is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it can be written as a is 100, so 100 square, plus 2ab, a is 100, b is 2 plus b square, b square means 2 square. So it will be 4 times 0 because double 0 occurs and square of it is 4 times. Now 2 to the 4, 4 into 100, that is 400, and 2 square is 4. If we add them, then 0, 0, 4, that is equal to 4, 0, 0, 0. Now 0 and 4, that is 4, and then 1 0. It is 10404 is the required answer. It is the square of 102. Now next part is this one. Next part is fourth. Yes. Fourth part is 998. It can be written as, it is closer to 1000. First of all, 1000 minus 2 is 998. So the square of it is the square of 1000 minus 2. Now here, this is A, this is B. Simply we will use the second identity. Second is A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So put these values. A is 1000 square minus 2, a is 1000 and b is 2 plus 2 square. So it will be 3 times 0 and square of it will be 6 times zeros. So it will be 6 times zeros minus 2 to the 4, 4000 the 4000 plus 2 square is 4. Now it will be, we can use it as, this one is 6 times zeros plus 4. So it can be written as this one minus 400. So subtracted 4 as it is, 0 as it is. Now 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Just a minute. This 10 minus 4 is 6. It will become 9, 9 and 9 means 3 times 9s. So this is the required square of 998. This is answer. Now we can move to next slide. Now this is the fifth part, and in fifth part it is in decimal, 5.2 square. Now it is closer to, first of all it is in decimal, so it is closer to 5 plus 0.2. It is much closer to it because it is 5.2. It is in decimal, so we can write as 5 plus 0.2. So because we can easily calculate the square of 5 and we can also calculate the square of 2, so it will be quite easy. Now the using identity, which identity we will use, a plus b, first identity, square is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. Here this is a and this is b. Now a square is 5 square plus 2ab, 2 into 5, b is 0.2 plus b square is 0.2 square. So it will be 25 plus, we can write it as 2 to the 4, 4, 5 the 20, 20 and 1 place of decimal. This is 2 plus 0.2 means 2 square is 4 and decimal is up to 2 places. So it can be written as 0.04 because 0.2, 0.2 means 2 places of decimal. Answer is 4. For 2 places of decimal, we will write 0.04. So the answer will be 27 first of all plus 0.04. So it will be 27.04. This is the answer. Now come to the next part, that is sixth part. Just a minute, we can solve it here. Now this one is the sixth part. Sixth part is 297 multiply 303. In such a product, if we want to find out the solution of product, then we have to see that these two numbers are closer to which number. If we look at it, then this is 297. 297 is closer to 300. Similarly, 303, it is also closer to round figure 300. So we can use 300 as a fixed number. Now 297 is 300 minus 3 and 303 is 300 plus 3. Only this is a fact about it, that if we are two numbers in multiplication, then we will find the solution using identity. And how can we find it? We will make the number sure that which number is closer to it, closer to both the numbers. We have to find the same number that are closer to both the numbers. So 300 is closer to both the numbers, but this one, first number is the subtraction of 3 and second one is the addition of 3. So we can create a form a minus b and a plus b. It is a form that has been created here. So it is very easy, because according to third identity, this a minus b, a plus b is of the form a square minus b square. This is a third identity. Now here a and b are given. What is a here? Using the yellow pen I can highlight. This one is a, 300 is a, and b is 3. This is b, this is a, this is b, this is a. So a minus b, a plus b, and the answer is a square minus b square. A is 300, a square minus b square, b is 3. So इसका square कितना हो गया? 9. 4 times 0, and the square of 3 is 9. So it will be, the answer will be 10 minus 9, it is 1. This will become 9, 9 and 9, and this will become 8. So this is the required answer of multiplication of both, and it is quite easy. We need not to multiply the three numbers with three numbers and do heavy calculation. We can just imagine that it is quite easy if we find the number closer to it, if it is possible, and the number round figure which is closer to both the numbers, just to get add something to it, and same number is to be subtracted to it. Then we can apply the third identity, that is a square minus b square, and we can find the result. So next is 7th. Now 7th is 78 multiply 82. It is quite similar. We are having two numbers. Product of two numbers is to be find out, and this number is to be cleared that this number is closer to which number? Both the numbers are closer to one same number, that is 80. 78 and 82 both are closer to same number, that is round figure, which is 80. So this one is closer to 80, this one is closer to 80. This is 80 minus 2 and this is 80 plus 2. So we get the same format of third identity, a minus b and a plus b. So using white color we can highlight what is a and b. A is 80, b is 2. A is 80, b is 2. A minus b, a plus b. So the answer will be a square minus b square using third identity. So according to this, a square is 80 square because a is 80, and b square is 2 square because b is 2. So it will be 8 square 64, 0 square 00, minus 2 square 4. If we subtract this, then 10 minus 4, it will be here, and it will be visible to you. It is if it is not visible to you, then I can write here. Just a minute. Yes, I am using this space. This is 6400 minus 4. So it will be 10 minus 4, that is 6. It is 9. It is 3. It is 6. So it is 6396. This is the product of these two numbers. Without doing much calculation, just applying the identity, you can find the multiplication of two digits number. This is the required solution.